What is empire? Broadly construed, an empire is a political construct in which one state dominates over another state, or a series of states. An empire is normally ruled by an emperor, even though many states in history without an emperor at their head are called empires. As we can see, an empire at its core is the domination of one state by another. This idea lies at the heart of the common use of the term empire, and is as old as state-building itself. The earliest city-states tried to grow by taking over their neighbors. Where they succeeded, a single larger state might form, but more often the aggressor became a core state holding sway over a number of semi-independent peripheral states, a halfway stage to a larger state. This core state became more than merely the strongest in the region. It is important to note that an empire is an unequal relationship between a core state and a periphery of one or more states controlled from the core. On the simplest level, control means military occupation or other formal political intervention, but it can also cover informal economic or cultural influence. Economic pressure by itself has frequently been enough to manipulate governments. Religion, ideology, or other cultural forces have habitually accompanied political or economic persuasion. It is also important to note that the core state is the place to look for various motives for expansion, from the dream of imposing an imperial peace on squabbling states to the desire for economic exploitation, lust for the glory of conquest, or zeal for evangelism, religious or ideological. The periphery, on the other hand, is the place to look for crucial resistance or collaboration. Specifically, the fates of many empires have hinged on peripheral leaders deciding where their best interests lay. Often, the core can provide an account of an empire's rise, while the periphery better explains its persistence. Examples of empires in the ancient world include those of Sumeria, Babylonia, Assyria, that of the Hittites, the Egyptian, the Persian, the Macedonian, the Inca, the Aztec, and most famously, the Roman.